Question 5. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC, I've got 11, 7, a right angle there. Work out the size of angle ABC. So what is ABC? ABC. So this is what I want to find out. So let me label that as X. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. So I have a right angle triangle and an angle. So if I have a right angle triangle, it can be Pythagoras' theorem or trigonometry. Now I've got an angle here. Pythagoras' theorem is sides, so it cannot be Pythagoras' theorem, and it has to be trigonometry because we're dealing with an angle. So we've got SOHCAHTOA. I'm going to write that out. I'm going to be using SOHCAHTOA. So what do I need to do? I need to identify the sides. Step 1, identify sides. Once I identify sides, I can find out if I'm using SOHCAHTOA. So step 2 is find sine, cos, or tangent. And then I use, and I then replace these with the relevant numbers. So substitute numbers. And then after I've substituted the numbers, I can see the equation. Step 4 is then work it out. Okay, so let's start. So identifying the sides. So we start with the right angle. Opposite the right angle is a hypotenuse. Opposite the angle is my opposite side. And then the remaining one is my adjacent. So I've identified the sides. Now I need to find SOHCAHTOA. Which one is it? So here I've got 11 is given to me. So this is H. So I'm going to tick off H. Opposite, I'm given nothing. So I'm not going to be using that. So no O. And I've got A here. So this is 7 centimeter. So I'm using A. There's no A here. There's an A here. And there's a here. So H, got the H there. Okay, so we've got H, no H there. A here, no A here, A there, A there. So the one that has got 2 ticks, I'm going to be using that. So I'm going to be using sine. Sorry, this is cos. So I've got cos X equals adjacent. My adjacent is 7. And my hypotenuse is 11. So now, because I'm working out an angle, I can do the inverse of cos. So my X equals the inverse of cos, and it's 7 divided by 11. And now I can get my calculator out and work this out. So here's my calculator. I've got cos minus 1 bracket 7 divided by 11 close bracket and that gives me 50.47880 ... If I read my question, give your answer correct to one decimal place. So I've got my 1 decimal point. This is my decider. It's 5 or more, I round up. So my answer becomes 50. 7 is bigger than 5, so this becomes 5. 50.5 degrees is my final answer.